get noticed in this 2004 Infiniti G35. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. The powertrain includes rear-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, power mirrors, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.